Joe Beermaster, we have a new Sondors electric folding bike. We're just assembling it and we're just going to do a quick review on it. It's got some nice big thick wheels. And once it was assembled, we took it out for a ride. It rides real nice. It hooks up the power to here. There's an on-off switch. This lever also folds it. I'm going to give a demonstration of that. And the seat's adjustable, real easy to adjust. Steering wheel's adjustable. Even the shock, it's got an air system that's adjustable. And a lock. I took it out for a ride. I got it up to about 22 miles an hour. You can pedal it or you can assist. So it's got this here, different gears. And it's hard to see, it goes low all the way up to positive, maybe about 7 gears. So you can pedal, and it will be pedal assist, or you could just ride it like a moped sort of. The seat is very well padded, very well constructed. To me it was a little uncomfortable until I raised it up to the correct height, and then it kind of sat much better. These bikes are very nice. Everybody looks at you when you drive by because you can tell it's something different. It doesn't look like a regular bike with a battery on it because the battery's hidden inside the casing here. So when we open it up, the battery slides in and that's where it plugs in. So we're going to show you that. The pedals fold up.
So it's tighter too.
Yep, so that's if you put it in your car, you can have it fold flat.
They want it off, the battery should be off, and then you plug the charger in. And that's all there is to that. It plugs in and unplugs here. This you'll promptly lose, like within the first week, day or so. Sure. Goes back on there, so in case you want to charge it and you don't have to take the battery out. You can also take the battery out. You lift this little lever. I haven't figured out what the red thing does. It doesn't say anything about it. They suggest that you go online and instead of really, they don't give you much of a manual. And then it just opens.
Folds.
It is a little hard to control, I'll say that. Oh.
So the weight of this thing is not real light. It's not like a road bike that is very light. You can pick up with one hand. I mean, this takes a little effort.
Yeah.
Does that lock? Does that lock in the folded position?
It's supposed to, this magnet is supposed to meet the other magnet.
Magnet in the front by the wheels.
And then it's got a strap that you strap around it. Like I said, I haven't gone online and looked yet, but they suggest that
There's
you do
the
that.
battery. And if you're doing a lot of long road trips, like to the shore, from city to shore or whatever, you may want to get an extra battery.
Yeah.
You can easily pedal this. I found it pedaling this without any power is pretty easy too. It's got gears, so if you did run out of power, you could always pedal it, and right here it's not on, but that tells you what the speed is. This little looks like a cell phone. It's
like
a little
a
screen,
Okay.
but we don't have that fired up right now.
Monitor.
Comes with a key, so you can take the battery out. That way somebody can't just
If
come by
you-
and steal it.
This is like people that work in Center City or whatever, in a big city, wherever you're from. You take this in with you, you have your charger there. This comes off and you can take that with you too, easily.
Even the handlebar folds down.
Yep. So you can take it in with you. This comes off here. You can take the handlebars with you. That's what all these are for. They're quick connect and all that. Not so quick when it's brand new, however.